So, my name is Asadbek Yuldashev, and I am the second year student of the International Law at the University of World Economy and Diplomacy. I got band 7 in IELTS, 8 reading, 8 listening, and 6.5 speaking, and 6 in writing. I am going to help students to improve their speaking as well as their grammatic. So, o'zbekchada aytib o'tib ketaman. Ismim Asadbek, ikkinchi kurs xalqaro iqtisodiyot va diplomatiya universitetida o'qiyman. Xalqaro huquq fakulteti. Ingliz tilidan 7 olganman. 8 listeningdan, 8 readingdan, 6,5 speakingdan, 6 writingdan. Hozircha Bilim chashmalari o'quv markazida studentlarni, shu o'quvchilarni ingliz tilini kuchaytirib berish, ingliz tili speaking clublar o'tkazish bo'yicha ish faoliyatimni boshladim desam ham bo'laveradi. Hope today we are going to talk about yourself and your and our daily routine. We are going to as well as use present simple and present continuous correctly, discuss hobbies and free time, give a short presentation. So hozir boshlanishiga mana oddiy gaplar bir-birimizdan so'rashimiz kerak. Misol uchun I woke up at let's say 10 a.m. and I drink a cup of coffee and go to the university, as well as I can't cook and also I don't have a pet. Endi shunga xuddi mana shu example ishlatib kimdir gapirish kerak. Kimdir bizda hozir speaking club bo'layotganligi uchun kimdir mandan tashqari yana gapirishi kerak. Qarang mana. Qarang mana bu yerda so'zlar yozilgan, ko'ryapti sizga, ekran translyatsiya ketyaptimi?
Ha, ha,
Xo'p.
ha,
Likes coffee deb qo'ygan.
hmm,
Likes coffee degani kofe yoqtiraman degani.
ha.
Endi shuni qo'yish kerak. I like drinking coffee. Ili I like
I
coffee.
like drinking. I like coffee. Bo'ldi?
Xo'p. Bo'ldi, yaxshi. Mana bu yerda misol uchun bunga savol tariqasida man so'rashim mumkin. Mahbuba xola, do you like coffee? Coffee.
Yes, I do.
Ana, xuddi shunaqa qilib ketamiz. Endi o'quvchilar hozir qo'shilyapti hali ham. Keyingi slaydga
Hmm.
o'tsam bo'laveradi. Xo'p, bugungi основной so'zlar menga sal get up, uyqudan turmoq, o'sha ertalab turmoq, take a shower, dush qabul qilmoq, принять dush, have a breakfast, have a breakfast, nonushta qilmoq. Breakfast so'zi nonushta bo'lgani uchun have a breakfast nonushta bo'ladi. Go to school, go to school, go to university, go to work, ishga, maktabga, o'qishga borish. Do homework, vazifa qilish. Go shopping, o'sha shoppingga borish, do'konga borish, nimadir xarid qilish. Watch TV, I like watching TV. I everyday watch TV. Man har kuni televizor ko'raman. Watch TV degan so'z, ibora televizor ko'rishga ishlatiladi. Meet friends, do'stlar bilan ko'rishish. Go to bed, uxlash. Xo'p, keyingi slaydga o'tadigan bo'lsak, bu yog'i endi grammatika. Grammatika ham oz-moz tushuntirib ketaman. Eng oson grammatika bugungi darsga qo'yganman. Present simple bilan present continuous. Endi buni hozir boshqa slaydga to'liqroq qo'ygandim. Mana shu slaydda bo'lishi kerak. Xo'p, bunday qo'yamiz. Present simple. Xo'p, present simple degani bu hozirgi oddiy zamon. Hozirgi oddiy zamonni biz qachon ishlatamiz? Birinchisi 5 xil vaziyatda ishlatamiz. Birinchisi, agar qanaqadir o'zimizni odatimiz, rutinalarimiz haqida aytadigan bo'lsak, misol uchun, men har kuni soat ertalab 7 da turaman yoki men har kuni kofe ichaman, har kuni uy vazifamni qilaman deydigan bo'lsak, present simple ishlatiladi. Present simple formulasi subject, ya'ni man, san, o'sha subject plus verb nima? Glagol bo'ladi rus tilida, o'zbek tilida fe'l bo'ladi. bitta primerlar keltirilgan. Man ishlayman, san ishlaysan, I work, you work, san ishlaysan, we work, biz ishlaymiz, they work, ular ishlaydi. И he, she, it, o'sha on, ana, ano ga s bilan es ishlatiladi, qo'yiladi grammatik jihatdan. Misol uchun o'ynamoq bo'ladigan bo'lsa, u o'ynaydi deydigan bo'lsak, he plays. Ko'radi bo'ladigan bo'lsa, watch. U ko'radi bo'lsa, he watches. Ba'zi momentlarda, ba'zi holatlarda oddiy s qo'yiladi, ba'zi holatlarda esa es qo'yiladi. Endi orqaroqqa qaytaman. Biz imенно qachon va qaysi vaziyatlarda present simple ishlatamiz? Birinchi va eng asosiy ko'rinadigan narsasi bu oddiy kundalik hayotda aytib berayotganimizni. Misol uchun I get up at 7 every day. Men har kuni 7 da turaman. I drink coffee every day. Men har kuni kofe ichaman. Ili qanaqadir fakt yoki o'sha hamma biladigan haqiqat haqida gapiradigan bo'lsak, water boils at 100 Celsius. Suv 100 gradusda qaynaydi. Yoki Uzbekistan is located in Central Asia. O'zbekiston Centralniy Aziyada joylashgan. Permanent situation or long term states. Qanaqadir временный situatsiyalar или uzoq vaqtli situatsiyalar haqida gapiradigan bo'lsak, misol uchun she works in a bank. U bankda ishlaydi degani bizga aytadiki, u anchadan beri bankda ishlayapti. Yoki he studies at university. U universitetda o'qiydi. Bu degani уже anchadan beri o'qiyapti. Timetables, jadvallar. Har xil jadval bo'lishi mumkin. Aeroportda asosan ishlatiladi. The train leaves at 9 p.m. Poyezd soat 9 da ketadi. Ili misol uchun samolyot soat 3 da uchib ketadi. Shunaqa vaziyatlarda present simple ishlatiladi. Xo'p, hali endi aytganimda s bilan es farqi. Qachon s qo'yamiz, qachon es qo'yamiz. Esni faqat faqat mana shu ikkinchi nimada berilgan nimalarda qo'yamiz xolos. Agar so'zni oxiri o, ch, sh, ikkita s, x, z bilan kelinadigan bo'lsa, s qo'yamiz. Misol uchun go, goes, watch, watches. Keyin agar yo'q bo'ldi. Qolgan holatlarda oddiy at s qo'yamiz, play plays. Shuni ketaveradi. Mana shu основной o, ch, sh, ikkita s, x and z dan keyin biz es qo'yiladi. Xo'p. Endi negative and questions savol bilan отрицание yo'q deyishda biz qanday ishlatamiz? Agar savol bermoqchi bo'ladigan bo'lsak, o'zining strukturasi bo'yicha boshqa do, does degan bizda qo'shimcha so'zlar bor. Shularni qo'yamiz. Strukturasi do, does plus subject plus verb bo'ladi. Agar buni nima qiladigan bo'lsak, hop, hozir bir minut odam qo'shildi. Buni primerda keltiradigan bo'lsak, futbol o'ynashni yaxshi ko'rasanmi? Do you like play football? Do you like to play football? Agar misol uchun do he, she, itdan tashqari do qolgan hammasiga tushaveradi. Именно he, she, itga biz does ishlatamiz. Does she play football? U qiz, misol uchun, u qiz futbol o'ynaydimi? Xuddi shunaqa javob berishi ham, agar do bilan savol berilayotgan bo'lsa, do bilan javob beriladi. Yes, I do. No, she doesn't. Oddiy gaplarda, negativ gaplarda, to есть отрицание yo'q deyish gaplarda boshga subject qo'yiladi. Undan keyin do, does plus not plus verb. I do not play. Man o'ynayman. Ili I don't drink coffee. Man kofe ichmayman. Xo'p, present continuous'da keyin nima qilamiz? Hozir дальше speakingga o'tsak. Xo'p, slide. Present simple основной rutinalar va faktlarga man soat 7da turaman. I like tea. Man choyni yaxshi ko'raman. Xo'p, endi ozgina speaking qilsak, mana bu yerda hozir bizda endi to'g'risi man kim o'qituvchi, kim nimaligini bilmayman. O'shanga e, shuni familiya ism bo'yicha aytsam, просто gaplashamiz. Xo'p, man present simple'da savol beraman. Present simple'da javob berishga harakat qilib ko'rasizlar. Xo'p, Nishon va Ruxshona, agar iloji bo'lsa, mikrofoningizni yoqsangiz.
Assalomu alaykum.
Va alaykum assalom, yaxshimisiz?
Yaxshi, rahmat.
Xo'p, do you often watch YouTube?
YouTube?
Yes.
Without
Ko'p
end up, yes, because at the present time I'm learning German language. Therefore, to improve my comprehension, I visit YouTube twice in a week, in a day.
Very well. Also, you can answer shortly. We are just practicing our present simple. Uh, what
Okay.
time what time do you usually wake up every day?
Um, Thanks to I have to go to university. Usually, I wake up at 5 a.m.
Wow. Very good. Rahmat javobingiz uchun. Xo'p, yana kimnidir gapirtirsak, bo'lmasa faqat men gapiryapman, speaking club axir. Mm, Hozir Javohir Abdufattoyev. Abdufattayev. Mikrofoningizni yoqsangiz, ochiq bo'lsa agar.
Assalomu alaykum, yaxshimisiz?
Va alaykum assalom. Oddiy savoldan boshlaymiz. What time do you usually go to bed? Odatda qachon uxlaysiz?
Mhm. I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock.
10 p.m. 10 o'clock u soat aytiladi. Именно agar kechda aytadigan bo'lsak 10 p.m.
10 p.m. o'clock.
Da. Xo'p, yana bitta savol beradigan bo'lsam, do you like playing football?
Yes, I
Futbol.
do.
Very well. Rahmat javobingiz uchun. Keyingi nimaga o'tadigan bo'lsak,
Sizga ham rahmat.
hop, keyin sorry. Work o'tib ketdik. Speaking game. Yep. So'radim. Endi yana jicha grammatika o'taman hozir. Present continuousda iloji boricha o'zimga ham, sizlarga ham tushunarli bo'lishi uchun osonroq qilib tushuntirib beraman. Present continuous. Present continuous hozirgi davom etayotgan zamon. To есть именно right now deb tushunib olsak bo'ladi. Именно hozir men nima qilyapman? Eng ishlatilish holatlari birinchi o'rinda hozir именно данный moment nima qilayotganimiz. Misol uchun men hozir dars o'tayotgan bo'lsam, I'm teaching English speaking. Men ingliz tilida gapirishni o'rgatyapman. Ingliz tili speaking club bo'lsa, I'm o'sha speaking clubda o'tyapman. Keyin vaqtinchalik nima actions, holatlar, действиялар. I'm staying with my friend this week. Misol uchun shu hafta men do'stim bilan qolyapman. Plan aytish основной. Buni ikkinchi nimasi o'zimizni planlarimiz 2 bilan 3 почти bir xil bo'lgani uchun o'zimizni kelajakdagi plan. Misol uchun qanchaga kelding deydigan bo'lsa, men 4 hafta qolaman bo'ladigan bo'lsa, men shu uyda I'm staying there for 4 weeks. Future plan. Misol uchun bir haftadan keyin men Dubayga ketishim kerak. Dubayga uchib ketadigan bo'lsanglar, I am flying to Dubai after 1 month. Agar bir oy bo'ladigan bo'lsa 1 month. Xuddi shunaqa holatlarda eng asosiy va eng common ishlatiladigan vaziyati bu hozir nima qilayotganimiz. I am reading a book, I am studying, man o'qiyapman, man kitob o'qiyapman, uh, I am writing something, man nimadir yozyapman. Xuddi shunaqa davom etib ketaveradi. Uh, trends and changing situations bu IELTSda asosiy ishlatilinadi. Mana shu 4-holati tushirib turaman. Changing situations nimadir o'zgarayotgan bo'lsa, misol uchun O'zbekistonda naselyeniyasi 30 milliondan 37 million bo'ladigan bo'lsa, the population of Uzbekistan is increasing. O'zbekistonda o'sha nasleniya odamlari ko'payib boryapti. They are going from 30 million to 37 million people. 30 milliondan 37 millionga o'zgardi. They are going, ular o'sha o'zgarib borish, shunaqa nimalar asosiy bu ham present continuousda ishlatilinadi. Ko'proq IELTSda speaking part 3 da tushadi. Speaking part 3 da ko'proq shunaqa globalniy temada gapirish kerak degan bo'lsa, ko'pchilik present perfect continuous shunaqa qiyin nima ishlatadi. Present continuousni ham oson qilib tushuntirib bersa bo'ladi. Keyingi strukturasi subject plus to be plus verb ing. То есть I am, misol uchun I am writing, man yozyapman. I am working, man ishlayapman. Xuddi shunaqa strukturasi отрицаниясida keladigan bo'lsak, subject xuddi shunaqa plus to be, to be dan keyin not qo'yiladi, потом verb ing. I'm not working, man ishlamayapman. Savol nimaga keladigan bo'lsak, to be oldinga o'tadi. Emizar oldinga o'tadi, потом subject keladi, потом verb ing keladi. То есть birinchi to be, undan keyin so'z, undan keyin fe'l, oxirida ing bo'lishi kerak. Are you studying? Sen o'qiyapsanmi? Is he coming? U kelyaptimi? Qisqa javob berishda yes I am, no she isn't. To be bilan ishlatib javob bersak bo'laveradi. Xo'p, bu yoqlari пока что kerak emas. Nimaga o'tamiz? Endi turib. Endi nimada gapirib bersak, present continuous, xuddi haliginaqa present continuous endi gapiramiz. Xo'p. Kim? Ibrohimjon Tojimatov. Can you unmute your microphone? Sarnoz Abduqahhorova, siz agar mikrofonni yo'qolsangiz, unda Nishon va Rushona yana sizda shu yoqishingizni so'rardim. Mikrofonda ozgina speaking club bo'lgani uchun gaplashmasak bo'lmaydi. Bo'ldi, mana Sarnoz mikrofonni yoqdingiz, a?
Yes,
So,
of course.
my question is, what are you
Okay.
doing right now? Hozir nima qilyapsan? Eshityapman deyishingiz mumkin, yozyapman.
Okay,
Present.
be present continuous.
Yes. Okay. And can you tell me about your future plans? Like, I mean, what are you going to do after a week? Maybe if you have some plans to do.
Okay, right now I'm just chatting with you and relaxing a bit. I have finished my work for today, so I'm taking some relaxing time and I'm doing my homework. And also, I have some housework, such as cooking some foods for my family members. And also, usually in the evenings, I like reading books, also chatting with my family members.
Okay, very well. And I have also my last question. Are you planning going to somewhere like in these weekends? Going to the mountains maybe? Do you have any plans to the
Yes.
weekends?
Yes, of course, I have so many plans in that weekends, but because of my study and work, I don't have to travel. And if I have opportunity, I want to travel a mountains and such as a good place to with my friends.
Okay, very well. Your speech is very fluent, but nimada hozir ishlatdingiz? I don't have to travel dedingiz. I cannot travel deyish
Uh-huh.
kerak edi.
I
Man
can. Okay.
nima o'sha sayohat qila olmayman. I cannot.
Mm-hmm. I
Именно
cannot.
mana shu
Okay.
yerda sal grammatikskiy xato bo'ldi. Qolgani четкий.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Thank you too. Xo'p, yana kimnidir gapirtirishimiz kerak. Speaking club. Uh, hop. Ibrohimjon bo'ldi. Mm, Ibrohimjon,
Hi. Good
can you
evening.
hear me?
Yeah, of course.
So, what do you like doing in your free time?
Well, I like to do my hobbies. I have lots of hobbies. It depends on my tiredness. Firstly, when I
Okay.
have a mental tiredness, I like doing something like sports activities, playing football or going to the gym. When I have a physical tiredness, I really like listening to music and or reading a book.
Okay. And how often you go to the gym?
Um, 3 times a week,
3 times a week.
generally. Yeah.
Is it really tiring? Like, I mean, uh, uh, how how often you get tired after going to the gym?
No, when I'm mentally tired, I relax at the gym. I release my stress, you know.
Okay. But not physical, right?
No, physically it's okay. You can recharge your batteries or with some, kind of additives like, different kinds of.
Yeah, very good, very good. And you also mentioned, you also said you have another type of hobby. Can you repeat me? Like you said,
Yeah,
going to the gym, and what was the another one?
a lot of playing chess online, and also listening to a music or reading a book.
Okay. And how, like, I also wanted to play chess, but for me it was really hard to learn it. How often, in what type of period you learn to play chess?
It depends on your interests first and your desire. If you really want to learn it, you can learn by downloading the app chess.com. Yeah, chess.com. And it is really helpful. There are lots of lessons from beginner to the highest level, advanced. And it took me 2 months to learn it and
Wow.
1 year to become master.
Wow, great. Like I've been learning a bit longer. I've been learning about 4 months, but it's still like, very hard to learn. Very difficult for me, turns out.
Yeah. You have to gain some experience by trial and error. You know that making mistakes and learning from them.
Okay, thank you for your answer.
Okay.
So, in the mini presentation A Day in My Life, 1 minut tayyorlanib, three sentence in present simple, three sentence in present continuous deyilgan. Sizlar boshqa zamon ham ishlatsalaring bo'laveradi, chunki ko'ryapman, shu ko'pchilik normalniy gapiryapti. Men o'zim boshlab beraman. So, I usually wake up at 10 a.m. and I take a shower, and after that, I always go for a walk for about 30 or 15 minutes. After that, I have a breakfast with a lunch because after going for a walk, it's already 12 a.m. and I have breakfast and lunch in one time. After that, I go to the university. I study about 4 or 5 hours, and then I go to the work. In work, I spend about 2 hours, and after that, I go to the
Or
if
at work.
what? Can you repeat?
No, I forgot to turn off my microphone.
Ah,
I'm sorry, that's my bad.
no,
I
I guess you were shocked that I spent at work 2 hours, right?
no. I'm sorry.
Okay,
I
okay.
have my mind is divided into two things. Right now, I'm playing chess with my friends, online friend, and kind of competing. And
yeah.
I'm at the same simultaneously listening to your speaking, and I totally forgot to switch off my microphone.
Okay.
That's my bad. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. So I was talking that I spent about 2 or 3 hours at work, and then uh, after my work, if I have like enough desire to go to the gym, I also go to the gym, or I go to my house, I relax, I do my homeworks, which was given by my teachers at university, and then about 10 p.m. I go with my friends, like go out to the parks or some kind of uh, at interactive places, and I go to the bed about 11 p.m. So I guess Ibrahim John, can you also describe a day in your life? A short speech?
Okay. My daily routine, yes.
Yeah.
Well, in the early morning, I wake up at 5 a.m. and I pray, and then I do some stretching exercises, and then read a book. Then I prepare for my university. I go to the university, and I should be there by 8:30. Yeah, and I finish my university 1 p.m. and then I have a lunch. Then I go to the gym or go to the library to study or to do my projects, which I have been working on nowadays. I mean, to create a website, like online shopping website. By the way, I am a computer programmer,
Wow.
front-end engineer. So then I do some, relaxing kind. Things like little things like playing tennis with my friends or listening to music by standing on the bench and watching the people walking.
Okay. So you
So
do, yeah. So you do things that you enjoy, that you relax, right?
yeah. After stressful hours,
Yeah.
the university sessions. Lectures
Yeah.
are really boring sometimes.
They are tough.
Yeah, and then I come back and like this in the evening. Also, I work on my project with my team, and I have in our team there are 5, and we have a really hot discussions and different ideas, brainstorming. Then after that, I really like playing chess again online, which is really convenient. Nowadays you don't go
Yeah.
out, you don't spend energy, just mentally you relax. And I think during the day I also pray 5 times, and we have to do this, as you know. And then that's it. I do some and like chatting with my friends online. It's also nowadays convenient. You don't go out, you share the news or you talk like in the live chats with your friends. It's
Yeah.
also kind of really trying to stay on the relationship with your friends, the way of this. And then I go to bed at 11 p.m. usually.
11 p.m. Yeah.
That's a stressful and busy day of my
Yeah.
life.
So I have question. Don't you get angry after losing a chess game. I mean, after losing for your friend or for someone, I mean, in tournaments.
Well, I lose a lot
Uh,
actually. If I lose 10 games in a row, then I get angry. But if one lose and one victory, one lose or two lose or two loses, or after that I have to, I rematch that person again and
yeah.
again and again. I try to revenge, and from 10, 2 times I get angry, 8 times I really feel satisfied when I get revenge, when I win that person. It's really great. Actually, my rating is 1600 on chess.com, and that's kind of master level,
Wow.
advanced level, and I really like analyzing my mistakes. Then I learn where I made a mistake. If I don't, I analyze that in my mind. I cannot sleep. It is really difficult to sleep without analyzing your mistake, and knowing that's kind of increases my overthinking. That also distracts my sleep. Sometimes it leads to insomnia.
Yeah,
That's why I prefer analyzing and then just saying, yeah, it's okay. Next time I'll not repeat this mistake again. That's
Well,
it. I think analyzing is the best way of not being angry. Sometimes you think that you are really kind of crazy, or maybe this child, you made a child mistake. Sometimes it's okay to have mistakes. We're human. Then I say like this to myself to motivate myself.
so thank you for your answer. That was a great answer, I guess,
Yeah.
and very detailed answer, I would say.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Thanks.
So, уже Zoom'da ham 1 minut qolibdi tugashiga, ozgina homework tayyorlab qo'ygandim endi kirganlar uchun. 10 ta sentence yozish kerak. 5 ta present simple'da, 5 ta present continuous'da. Hozir mana shu men prezentatsiyani keyin tashlab qo'yaman gruppaga, o'sha Telegram gruppaga. Telegram gruppada yangi so'zlar bor, o'shalarni yodlab olish. Shu xolos. So thank you for you all for participating and listening till the end. Wish you all good luck. Hammaga rahmat. Qatnashganlaring uchun, eshitganlaring uchun. Nimadir yangilik, nimadir foydali bo'lgan bo'lsa, speakingdan kattakon rahmat.
Thank you. Good night.